You have been told all you need is the right tool, the right prompt, and the right big idea, and you will be printing money while you sleep. You see these posts everywhere. Someone launches an AI tool, it goes viral, claims they made six figures in a week. People building AI agents that sound like magic. AI SaaS products that explodes overnight. And you think if they can do it, why can't I? So you start hunting for the thing. Maybe it's some brand new AI app nobody's discovered yet. Maybe it's a killer prompt that'll be your next golden ticket. Or maybe you'll build custom AI systems for clients because that sounds premium, like real money. It feels like the fastest way to ride this wave before it crashes. But here is what nobody is telling you, and this is gonna hurt you a lot. Most of these AI businesses you see online, they are not even businesses at all. They are cash grabs. They just exploit tiny market gaps, little glitches that pop up when new technology goes mainstream. And sure, you can make money for a few months, but then competition floods in, hype goes down, and the whole thing vanishes. And that's why you see these AI entrepreneurs bouncing from tool to tool and chasing the next shiny object that addicts. Well, if that's the case, then let me show you exactly how we crack the code. Because what I'm about to tell you goes against everything these AI gurus are teaching you online. And I know this because I fell for the same trap myself. When I first started, I was working with my business partner. I was deep into sales and I was doing really well. But I did not want to be just the sales guy forever. I wanted to build something with more staying power. So I taught myself development. And right when AI started to blow up, I saw my chance. I asked myself, what if we could build on audience, figure out a repeatable way to help business adopt AI and package it into a productized offer? And I was sure about it. If we can do this, we can really win something great. At first, we went with the custom AI route. And let me be real with you. Being the custom guy is so brutal. Every client is different. Every project is different. You are constantly reinventing the wheel and you're like, this is what I thought I would do. Even top entrepreneurs talk about this and they say when you're all things to all people, you're actually nothing to anyone. It might feel like you are being flexible, but what you are really doing is setting yourself up to burnout. So the breakthrough came when we made one small but the massive change. We switched to no-code and low-code tools. And you know what started to happen suddenly? We could deliver AI integrations for 1/3 the cost of a custom build. Instead of charging $10,000 or more, we charged just $3,000. And here is what surprised me. Businesses did not even care about the change or how we build the system. They only cared that it is actually working and that it solved the real problem more faster and more cheaper than anyone else. And that's when it hit me. The biggest shift you can make is this. Stop selling AI and start selling the transformation. Because businesses don't buy AI. They buy a better version of themselves, which is speed, efficiency, profit, and accuracy. And here is a simple example from which you can understand it better. If I tell a business owner, well, we will use this AI to optimize your finances, that will feel so vague and something even like a scam. But if I say your financials will always be accurate and updated in real time and it will cost you less than you're paying now, well, now they will be listening to you. Why? Because one sounds like a cool idea, but the other sounds like a no-brainer decision they can make today. They lead with the tech instead of the outcome because the reality is AI is a drill. The transformation is the hole in the wall. The drill might be shiny, but nobody buys it for the drill. They buy it for the hole. So how do you figure out which hole to sell? Well, I use a simple equation. Value created multiplied by ease of implementation. Value created is how many people have the problem multiplied by the gross profit per customer. Ease of implementation is how quickly and easily you can deliver the result. And if you are choosing between 6 different problems you could solve, pick the one with the biggest audience because it has the highest impact and the least friction to deliver. And here is the thing, when you niche down to one specific problem in one specific industry, everything gets so easier. Your offer gets sharper, your marketing gets clear, your delivery gets faster, and you start building a reputation that actually means something. Now, if we talk about the delivery, look, in this game, your development team is your product. And if you're serious about playing at a high level, you need an A-player, technical co-founder, or a dev lead, someone who can build, improve, and maintain your solution at a world-class standard. For example, I brought on an incredible technical co-founder, gave him equity and ownership, and it completely transformed what we could deliver. And remember one thing, one great developer is worth more than 100 average ones, and the best ones want a real stake in the outcome. So treat them like the true partners, not just staff, and you will start to see the amazing results. So here is the big takeaway from everything I told you about. There is a massive fortunes to be made helping businesses adopt artificial intelligence. I'm talking about life-changing money, but here is the catch, and this is where 99% of the people gets it wrong. You can only win if you pick one niche where there is one problem and there is only one solution. And think about it like this, when someone buys a Tesla, they're not buying batteries and electric motors, they're buying status, they're buying the future, they're buying the feeling of being ahead of everyone else. And this is the same case here. So instead of saying we use machine learning algorithms to optimize your supply chain, you will say you will never run out of your best-selling items again, and you will not cut out food waste by 30% in the first month. And when you have figured out your one thing, here is what you do: systemize it, productize it, and at the end, scale it. Systemize basically means you create a repeatable process, same steps every time and same outcome every time without any guessing work. While productize means you package it up, give it a name, and set a price and make it feel like a real thing they can buy, not just some consulting hours. And lastly, scaling simply means you can deliver it to 10 clients just as easily as one client, or maybe even easier. Now I want to hear from you. What is the one problem you could solve for a business using AI that you could deliver over and over again without starting from the scratch? And if you want, I'll share my full copy and paste sales script for pitching it. Just drop a yes in the comment section below and I will make that my next video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.